Hey my loves, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I got a little 6-peak gel polish set. It's called Vrenmol. It's from the company Vrenmol. So this is their case. I like it. It's black and gold. So let's open these up. Oh, and by the way, these are glow in the dark. If I could get it open. What's my thing I usually use? Ooh, okay. I think. So it comes with a card. So this is from Saviland. It says thank you for your purchase. Their support and all their apps that they're on. So let me take these out. Okay. So the first one's Blue Light. Second one's Solar. And then you got Light Aurora. Oh, Aurora Light. My bad. Night Light. Aurora Green. And White Jewel. Okay, so I like this. You can put stuff in here, close this back up, have little magnetic things right there. So let's get started. I already have 6 of them out. So I'm gonna put some primer on here and dehydrate these, and I'll be right back. Okay. So let's do the first one, and this is White Jewel. Hope you can see it. Oh gosh, okay. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Okay. That is one coat. Okay, that's better. Okay, so here is Aurora Green. Ooh. We have to shake it up, you guys. Okay. Oh, you guys, look at that. That is some really neon green right here. Let's look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, my camera's doing no justice. I wish you guys could really see, man. Maybe I take this one off. Okay, let's see how that goes. So this one is Night Light. I should have pre-opened though. Oh well. Okay, that's more like a violet color. Okay. This one is giving me Easter vibe. What do you think? I'm getting an Easter vibe going on. I'm turning this light back on. Okay. So next up is Blue Light. Okay, see what this blue light looks like. Pretty. Okay, let me see. Next we're gonna do Aurora Light. it starts off as white, I believe. That's what it looks like. Like an off-white, maybe. Tell me what you think. Okay, so the last color we got is Solar. Oh, the solar system. Okay. Ah. Uh-oh. One of them fell. Let's keep that in there. Alright, and the last one is Solar. Whoa, you guys. There's something black and I don't know what it is, but look at that. That's pretty too. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back because I have it under this mini UV light and it's acting very slow, so give me a minute, you guys. Okay, so this one is White Jewel. Let's do this one over. Okay, so I'm just loving this green, you guys. So with this one, I feel like you don't even need 2 coats, honestly. It's just up to you, it's your preference. But that one, I know that one's going to be super bright. It's supposed to turn white, so, okay. So we got Nightlight again. Another coat to it. Pretty. Next we got Blue Light. Ew, okay. So this is Aurora Light. Oh, Auroral. Not Aurora. I'm sorry. Hopefully I'm saying that right too. And the last one we have again is Solar. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna put this under the UV light for a minute, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what I'll come back and show you what they look like glowing in the dark. All right, 60 seconds. Oh dang. Okay, I am back. I'm about to turn the lights off so you can see. I'm gonna take what each color is. Whew, okay. Uh-oh. Going crazy. Alright, these are some beautiful colors, you guys. So I'm about to turn this light off and I'm going to try to tell you what each color is in case you forgot. Let's see if they glow. Ooh. Ah, dang. You got the TV on.
It's still glowing.
I know, but it's not. So the first one, he is not glowing because the light is on. Okay, hold on. This pink one needs some life. Okay, you can't see this one, but this is the pink one. That one is White Jewel. The second one is Aurora Green. The third one is Nightlight. It's starting to fade away. The fourth one is the Blue Light. And this one is the Aurora Light. And this one is the Sunshine. So,
Hold it to the camera some more.
I'm gonna try to let these get in some light some more, so you can really see what they look like. I'll be back.
Loves.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, so hopefully these colors sat out long enough so I could try it out again, see if they actually glow in the dark. So I'm gonna do one night at a time. Okay, let me see you real quick. Okay, let's see. Come on. Huh. Okay. They kind of. I think I need to put it under the UV light for it to work. But I don't know. Let's put it under here for like 5 seconds. Okay, there they go. See? Bam! Look at those, baby! Look, baby, look. Look at them. Yeah, I love these. But these would be nice with a design behind it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on here so you guys can see. Oh, okay. Yeah, that really lights it up. That's only 10 seconds. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay.
Damn, the camera can't
The camera can't be focused. Oh, yeah. Those are bright, you guys. Yeah. Oh, man. I can't wait to put these on my nails. I don't know what I want to do, but it's going to happen. Oh, okay. These are cute, you guys. Okay, y'all. So I put this in the UV light and I put some designs on it. I changed my mind. I decided to do it anyway. So I'm going to turn the lights off real quick so you can see what they look like. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, you guys. Can you see them? Look how pretty that is. I'm going to put it under this one so you can really see it pop. So this is in the dark. Oh, these are filthy, babe. Oh, now they're really in the dark. Hold on. I thought they was in the dark. Let's brighten this one up a little bit. I need to...
This is the tree.
Oh, it's a Christmas tree. Okay. The lights on the tree. I don't have the lights for that. Okay. There you go, you guys. Now you can see. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, baby, these are so pretty. Alright, you guys, let me know which one's your favorite. I really can't choose, but I'm feeling this brown one right here. And the orange. You know, I like them all. But I like the dark brown the most. But you guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, bye.